Alrighty, this is a quick video on has to be the best motorcycle carrier on the market right now, at least from the research I've done. This is the Moto Tote carrier. It's going to cost you a little bit. This was about 650 bucks. You can find them for about 550. I paid a little extra so I can get it in time. This is it. You see how it locks the front tire in there extremely well. You got your ramp already stored, and then right here, nice tie down points. Everything's all secure. And then this is the best part. So if you can tell right in here, where the hitch pin usually goes is the actual Allen key. And then on the opposite side, is an actual bolt, so you can really tighten this thing down. That way you can get most of the shake out of it. You can see I'm shaking my whole truck, and thing is solid. I mean, you can go with the cheap ones from Harbor Freight or the no-name brands, but when you're talking to have a $10,000 plus dirt bike on the back of your truck, especially if you're going to do any off-roading, I would say this is a must-have. I've had this thing for about just over a year now. Put a lot of miles. Never had any problems. My bike, well, obviously hasn't fallen off yet. Nothing's come loose. Yeah, just a good all-around ramp.